So we're out here at Jungle Warfare Training Center executing Jungle Workhorse. It's a command post exercise for CLR-3 to refine our capabilities to conduct command and control as a logistics command element, and where required, the MAGTF command element. So as we execute Jungle Workhorse, we're establishing a COC by more traditional means that many people have seen before, establishing tents, utilities, and a very in-depth comm structure here. We're also rehearsing our ability to transfer that over to a Bravo node, a jump COC, that's consisted of JLTVs in a much more expeditionary COC environment. Within that, we're refining, transitioning back and forth, so as we tear down our Alpha node, our more traditional tent-based COC, transferring that control to our jump COC, and then reestablishing that Alpha node as quickly as possible, this whole time ensuring that we never have a loss of command and control to enable ourselves to stay light, agile, and mobile, degrading the enemy's ability to target us and ensuring success in the future operating environment.